Welcome traders to another insightful episode in our Altrady series. Today, we're diving into the crucial concepts of automatic take-profit orders and the strategic use of multiple take-profit targets to maximize your profits. Understanding and implementing these strategies can significantly enhance your trading outcomes. Let's get started. Automatic take-profit orders are designed to lock in your profits automatically when a certain price level is reached. This tool is essential for capitalizing on the market's volatility without constantly monitoring the charts. Whenever an entry order fills, your take-profit orders will automatically be placed or adjusted, giving you the ability to participate in the market movement even when you are not watching the chart. Multiple take-profit targets allow you to scale out of a position at different price points. This approach captures profits at various stages of a market upswing, ensuring you don't miss out on potential gains. And in Altrady, you can even make the last take-profit target trailing. Trailing take-profits will continue to follow the price up and only sell on a downward movement. Let's walk through setting up multi-target take-profit orders in Altrady. Set up your entry orders using the ladder function, but single orders are also possible, of course. Now enable the Take Profit section. You will now see one Take Profit target and you can drag the price to the correct level in the chart. You can add another target by clicking on the Add Target button. Please note that the two Take Profit targets now have equal sizes. And when you add the third target, you will see the size is adjusted again. You can adjust the size levels by using the sliders. So let's use a 50% on the first and then a 25% on the second and third take profit order. To enable the trailing take profit, you can tick the checkbox right here. Set the distance between the price trigger and sell price. Don't set the distance too close to the trigger price, as small market movements will close your position earlier. You can now confirm the position and let the system take over. Automatic take-profit orders, especially when set at multiple targets, are a powerful strategy to maximize your trading profits while minimizing risks. With Altrady, implementing this approach is straightforward, giving you more control over your trading outcomes. For more expert tips and trading strategies, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and trade smart.